Alright, so I just want to show you guys how to use the self-fracture add-on in Blender. This is helpful if you wanted to make destructible blocks or something like that so that your object can fall apart. So I just have a new file here in Blender. The first thing you want to do is go up here to Edit and then Preferences, and we need to find that extension. So if you click on the Get Extensions and you type in self-fracture, you can click Install. And then that's going to give us the ability to use self-fracture. So once you have the self-fracture enabled, you can click on your object that you want. You can go to Object up here, and then you can go down to where it says Quick Effects, and you can click on self-fracture. So then it's going to bring up this really cool menu, and you can mess around with all of these settings, and they all do different things. But for right now, I'm just going to set noise to 1 and recursion to 1, and hit OK. And then it's going to apply it. And then we can delete the outer cube just so that we don't have to see that. And now it's all separated into little parts. So I'm just going to go ahead and quickly model a vase just to kind of give you guys an idea of how you can use this other than a cube. So I'm just going to make a super simple one here. I'm just going to use the subdivision surface modifier later. And so yeah, so if we go over here, I'm just going to use a few things. I'm going to use the subdivision surface modifier, and then I'm going to hit apply. Then I'm going to decimate it to make it look low poly. Where's decimate? Here we go. And then I'm going to change this down. All right. Hit apply on that. And now if we click on the object and we go and use that self-fracture we just did, hit OK, it's going to build it up. And there we go. So I'm going to delete the outer one. And here we go. So yeah, so if we were to import this into a game or something and we were to break this one, then it's going to fall apart into a lot of little pieces. But yeah, I just want to give you an example. Some of these things you might have to clean up on your model, but overall it's a super helpful feature if you need to break apart objects.